How do you do, everybody? I'm Matt Watson from Carwow, and I'm sat in a Bentley Continental GT W12. And next to me is a Rolls-Royce Wraith black badge, and we're going to have a very jolly British drag race. Oh yes, stop that, I can't keep the accent up. Let me tell you about this car. So it's got a 6-litre W12 twin turbo engine with 635 of your finest British horsepowers. The accent's coming back again. It's also got 900 Newton meters of torque, an 8-speed dual clutch automatic gearbox, all-wheel drive and launch control. It's quite heavy, this. 2,244 kilos. It's expensive as well. Starts from £168,000. It's not as expensive as that Rolls-Royce though. Let's find out about it from the guy who's going to be driving it. It's Yianni. You knew that already though, didn't you?
Hello, Mr. Yianni. How are you?
Hi, Matt.
Really well, thanks.
I'm sitting in luxury, it's nice.
It's a Rolls-Royce Wraith sitting on 24-inch wheels, got elastic band tyres.
Nice starlight roof lining.
So I was hoping for you to give people the stats.
It's not the visuals.
Have you got the stats on that car?
It's very heavy
I'm here to drive, you're here to give the stats.
and usually lose.
I feel like the twat at school and you're the
Bully, and you're making me do your bloody homework.
because you couldn't be bothered.
That's probably very true. However, I'm probably still going to fail because your homework's not always correct.
Let's see if it is. Okay, so that Wraith black badge has a 6.6 litre twin turbo V12. It's got 632 horsepower, 3 horsepower less than this Bentley. It has 846 Newton meters of torque. The Wraith has an 8-speed gearbox, but it just drives the rear wheels only, and there's no launch control. It is heavy, like Yianni says, especially with him in it. Did I say that? Oh dear. Anyway, so it weighs 2,360 kilos. In terms of the price, my God, it's expensive. £288,000. Ka-ching. Before we start the race, please make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon to turn your notifications on. That way you won't miss a single video. Also, if you'd like to, why don't you follow me on my own personal channel where I review my own cars that I actually own myself. That's at Matt Watson Cars, and if you click on the pop-out banner up there, you can follow the link to sign up and follow me there as well. Okay, let's get on with this race. Come on, let's do it. I say, old boy.
Buying a new car? Then head to Carwow and my team will help you find your next car at a fair price. Carwow, your one-stop car buying comparison site.
Matt, so I've got my car in low mode and obviously it'll raise as we move along. Hopefully that'll give me a little bit of an advantage.
I'll stuck it in drive, I'll put my left foot on the brake. I'm just going to accelerate because
There's pretty much nothing else to do here.
3,
Well, thanks for the update, Yianni.
2,
I'm also going to accelerate at some point.
1.
See ya.
I don't know why I'm like expecting a real quick acceleration. Yeah, that was 110 miles an hour, but it's very slow. Very slow.
Hello.
Yeah, I'm what do you want me to say? I'm driving a boat.
I've never utterly destroyed you like that before.
even my reaction time.
I didn't know when to go. I was waiting for the acceleration. There was just nothing there and he just cruised up the runway.
I think your reaction time had been Rolls-Royced. It was just like taken back a notch. It was just...
You're not wrong, mate. Honestly, I pulled away just like a Sunday afternoon drive.
Do you want another go?
Yeah, let's have another go, please. Let me just see what's going on here.
Right, I'm going to give him another chance, but I think it's a foregone conclusion.
3.
This ain't fair. Wait, no, wait.
What's up? Why have you stopped it?
This ain't fair.
Your car's so much quicker than mine.
And I'm in a boat.
Put Daniel in your car.
So Daniel who owns this car is here and he's like a giant.
Put him in your car. Let's even it up a little bit.
All right, whatever you want. They got to still win. Go on, send Daniel in. It looks like I've got The Rock coming to ride with me. Better let him in. Don't want to get in angry. You all right, mate?
Oh, yeah, none.
Well, I think Yianni wants you to join me in this car to add some ballast. Wait. You've got your mask on, I haven't got mine on. Let me just do my health and safety bit. Obviously, stay safe, peeps. You know, get my gloves.
Worried when I see people putting on rubber gloves now.
Well, what you get up to in your own spare time is your business, my friend. I'm going to go for the full FP3 mask.
They're going all out. Wow. I didn't think this through.
Let's just be doubly sure. Get some anti-bac in as well. What should I do? Oh, let's get it all around there. Oh, it smells nice actually. It's better than my aftershave. Oh, a bit alcoholic. Will I be too drunk to drive? Hopefully not. Anyway, do you want to get in? It's safe now, I think.
Yep.
No, you're not getting in the front. We've got to keep social distancing, so can you get in the back?
Are you trying to say that this is a 4-seater?
It is look, there's 4 seats. That'll be fine for you. Go on, get in.
Okay.
It's not my fault you're big.
That's what she said.
You get through there, come on. Come on, just pull yourself in. That's it. Look, no problem.
I saw the back drop down a little bit. That's a lot of ballast in that car now.
How much do you weigh?
120 kilos.
Well, that's the difference between these two cars. Look, you're fine. Look how much room you got. Look at that.
Fine.
You probably want your seatbelt on, or you're so wedged in, it doesn't really matter.
Come on now. Come on.
3,
So how much did you pay for your Wraith?
Come on.
2,
Too much, Matt. I can't tell you that.
1.
Go. Oh!
Even without looking.
Alright, maybe not.
And with the ballast.
Going for a Sunday cruise.
Even with a poor start, we did him. And with your ballast. What's it like back there?
It's okay, it's not bad, but I've helped you to beat my car, so I'm not sure how I feel about that.
You got off the line quicker than me, Yianni.
Yeah, I actually have nothing to say. I have no words.
I didn't know that this would be that much quicker than that because they've got the similar amount of horsepower. They're not that much difference in weight. This is way quicker, isn't it?
Yeah, Matt, let's talk about the comfort. Let's talk about the twinkle, twinkle, little star roof and all these sort of things.
I've got matching stitching to the outside, sort of a burgundy wine colour there. What do you think about that? And diamonds. I've got diamonds all forever.
That's got umbrellas.
But what happens if you don't put the umbrellas in the doors properly and then you shut the door?
£8 worth of damage.
But then if you can afford a Rolls-Royce like you can, Daniel, it doesn't matter, does it really?
No comment.
Just an hour's work. If you want to know what Daniel does for a living to be able to afford that car, click on the pop-out banner up there to go check out his channel because he actually shows you what he does. It's really interesting. You'll like it, I guarantee you. Anyway, let's move on to the next race and see if Yianni can do better in that.
So then, what exactly happened? Well, the Bentley did the standing quarter mile in 11.6 seconds, while the Rolls-Royce took 13 seconds.
Right, and Yianni, riding race from 50 miles an hour, cars in automatic and comfort mode. Here we go then. 3, 2, 1, go. Hey!
Come on, Yianni.
Okay, that's not bad.
What are you? You're in my car. You're supposed to support me.
Oh, that's not bad.
Yes, come on, Yianni.
No, he's not. He's losing now. That's him losing.
You're doing a lot better, though.
He's losing by.
140.
We're doing 170 over here. I'm going to brake. You've lost that. Whoa, look at all these birds. Go. Oh.
Covered in bird poo.
You did all right on that, Yianni.
Listen, this pulled okay. Went up to 140 and I saw my GoPro bend back and I was like, oh, I'm going to slow down.
It's kind of like a second Spirit of Ecstasy. It looks really funny.
Exactly. Well spotted. Let's do the brake test.
No, we've got to do another rolling race. This time we're going to go in sports mode and manual mode for the gearbox. Are you all set up and ready?
I'm just going to do exactly what I did in the last race then, because this don't have anything.
It doesn't have anything. There's no pedal, there's no sports mode, there's no nothing.
Oh, let's just do the brake test then. Let's just get up to 70. Come on. You might not enjoy this, Daniel, because we're going to do a brake test from 70 miles an hour. So I'm going to do a full emergency stop when I hit this line here. And watch your head, because you might bang it. Here we go.
Oh. That's close.
Our breakfast is coming back up.
Is it? Don't let it, not in here. Wait till you get out. There is a soiling charge if you stick in the back of my taxi. He won that. Daniel, do you think he won that or I won that?
Yianni definitely won that one.
Bollocks. Did he? Did he really, people? It looks like you've won one.
Yianni, you won the brake test. You managed to stop in the shortest distance, but not by much, I don't think. Listen, there's a famous saying,
Beggars can't be choosers. And while I'm driving this,
and as much as it's a £250,000 car,
in a drag race, I'm definitely a beggar.
I was going to say, it's the first time there's ever been a beggar in a Rolls-Royce Wraith. Anyway, listen, Daniel, thank you very much for lending us your car. How do you think it performed?
Drag race, not as good as I would have hoped. I was quite happy with the rolling race,
It
but I think
did-
it did quite well.
It did well in the rolling race. What did you guys think? Which car do you think won overall? You know, got the moral victory out of these two very British cars, though they do have a German undercurrent. Bit like our royal family then, hey? I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like and let me know in the comments below of any other videos you'd like us to do. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon to turn your notifications on so you're alerted when we make a new upload. And please follow us on Instagram as well at carwow. Thanks very much for watching. Next time I see you, I won't be wearing this getup.
Can you both see me here?
Yep.
I don't like you there. Can you move further back, please? Further back, further back, further back, further back, further back. Keep going, 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 keep. That's good. That's where I like it.